To connect Wix to Claude AI, head over to Claude and then click on Customize from the left-hand side panel. Click on Connectors and then on Add on the top right-hand side. Click on Browse Connectors. In the search bar, search for Wix, and then click on the plus button next to where it says Wix, Manage and Build Sites and Apps on Wix. A pop-up will appear asking you to connect Claude AI to your Wix account. By authorizing access, you'll allow this application to access your Wix account information, manage and edit your Wix sites, and perform actions on your behalf through the Wix platform. Go ahead and click on Allow at the bottom to connect Wix to Claude AI. As you can see, Claude is now connected to Wix. To use Claude with Wix, click on the plus icon on the bottom left-hand side under a new chat, click on Connectors, and make sure that Wix is turned on. Then scroll down and click on Add from Wix and then on Wix Site Builder resource. Now type in the space provided what you want Claude to do with Wix. Help me create a website for my online business called Yes to Tech. Claude will now come up with a few questions guiding us through this website creation process. So the first question is, what does your business primarily do or sell? Products, physical goods, merchandise, services, consulting, coaching, digital products, courses, software, templates, content or community, blog, membership forums, multiple or other, or something else. I'll select something else and type in a mixture of services, digital products, and content, blog, and YouTube. And then click on the arrow to go to the next question. What's your main goal for the website? Sell products or services directly, generate leads and inquiries, showcase portfolio or case studies, build brand presence, or educate and share content. I'll select this last option, educate and share content. The third question is, do you have a Wix account already, or would you like to use Wix? My answer is yes, I have a Wix account ready. Now Claude is going to help me set up my Yes to Tech website. Now it's going to use the Wix Site Builder to create my website. Claude will craft a prompt that captures my vision for an educational tech content hub. Make sure that you allow Claude to use the Wix Site Builder from Wix. So let's go ahead and click on Always Allow at the bottom. Now Claude is using Wix to build my website. Claude is using the Wix Site Builder to create my educational content hub with all the key features. So let's just take a look at what's being built with Claude AI. A modern tech-focused homepage with hero section, a blog section for my educational content, a digital products showcase for courses, templates, and guides, a services section to promote my offerings, a YouTube integration to feature my videos, a newsletter sign up to build my audience, an about section to connect with my community, and contact forms for inquiries. It also provides me the next steps once my site is ready, which include customize content, add blog posts, upload digital products, connect YouTube, set up email capture, brand customization, and publish and launch. It also includes pro tips for my site. If you want, Claude AI can also help with anything specific once the Wix site is ready, like setting up products, optimizing content sections, or integrating additional features. Once Claude has created your Wix website, you can either click to view it in full screen, or scroll all the way down and click on Edit Site to open it up in Wix to continue editing it. A pop-up will appear saying Open External Link. Click on Open Link, and then all you have to do is edit it in Wix so that it looks and feels the way you wish. For specific tips on how to customize this website that Claude created for you, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now.